everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Podcast, the place where learning English is not just easy but also fun and exciting. I'm Chloe.
Hello, Chloe. Hello, everyone. It's so wonderful to have all of you tuning in again. I am Ethan, and I am thrilled to be here with you today.
Oh, Ethan, you look so cheerful today. Your energy is contagious.
Thank you, Chloe. I must admit, I am feeling very positive today. I had an amazing night's sleep, and I started my morning with a warm cup of herbal tea.
Herbal tea, wonderful, very healthy. I see you are taking good care of yourself.
Yes, Chloe. I am trying to be consistent with my health, and interestingly, that little habit connects very well with today's topic.
Oh, really? That sounds intriguing. What is today's topic?
Today, we are going to talk about something that is often overlooked, but incredibly powerful: your future self.
Your future self? That's an interesting topic. Are we talking about science fiction, like time travel and things like that?
Not at all, Chloe. No sci-fi movies today. It's not about traveling through time with a machine. It's about the real you, a few years down the road, and how the decisions you make today shape the person you will become tomorrow.
Ah, I understand now. So, it's about envisioning ourselves in the future and acting wisely in the present.
Exactly. And it's not just about planning. It's about acting. Doing small, sometimes difficult things today can create a happier and more successful future.
That is deep, Ethan. But before we dive into such a meaningful conversation, let's remind our listeners of something very important.
Yes, Chloe. If you are enjoying this podcast and finding it useful, please click the like button. A simple click from you makes a huge difference for us.
Absolutely. And don't forget to subscribe to Miss English Podcast. We are here to help you improve your English skills every single week, and sharing this podcast with your friends will make learning more enjoyable for everyone.
English is always better when shared. That's true.
Okay, Ethan, let's get back to the topic of our future self. Are you ready?
I am ready, Chloe. Let's do this.
Close your eyes for a moment, Ethan. Imagine yourself 5 years from now, in 2030.
Okay, I am imagining myself. I see an older version of me, maybe with a few grey hairs, hopefully healthier and happier.
Yes. Now, here is the key question. Is that future Ethan achieving what he wants? Is he thriving?
I hope he is, Chloe. I hope he is happy, healthy, and wise.
We all hope for that, Ethan. But here's the secret that many people overlook. Your future self is directly shaped by the choices of today. Every action, no matter how small, is like a seed that grows into your future life.
That's very powerful, Chloe. Can you give me an example of what you mean?
Absolutely. Let's talk about learning English, for example. Many people say, I am too tired today, I will study tomorrow. Sound familiar?
Oh, yes. I have said that many times myself.
It's natural. Relaxing on the sofa, watching your favorite series, or scrolling through social media feels easy. But investing a small amount of time today, say 20 minutes, will make a huge difference for your future self.
I see. So, future Ethan, who spends just 20 minutes learning English every day, will eventually speak fluently. He can communicate confidently, enjoy movies without subtitles, and maybe even travel without language barriers.
Exactly. Future Ethan will look back and say, thank you, present Ethan, for studying and not giving in to distractions. Your future self will always be grateful for the effort you make today.
That is a wonderful way to look at it. Instead of seeing effort as a burden, we can see it as a gift to our future selves.
Yes, Ethan. And this concept is not limited to English. It works for anything: health, fitness, money, personal growth.
Speaking of health, Chloe, I notice you are drinking green tea today. Is this part of your future self plan too?
Absolutely, Ethan. I want to stay healthy and energetic, so I can run a marathon next year.
A marathon? That's amazing, Chloe. 42 kilometers is a huge challenge.
It is. And some days I feel tired or it rains outside and I just want to stay in bed. But I remind myself, future Chloe wants to cross that finish line, stronger, healthier, and proud of herself.
So, when you force yourself to run on a rainy day, you are essentially sending a gift to your future self.
Exactly, Ethan. It's a mindset shift. Running in the rain isn't punishment, it's a gift.
I love this perspective. But, Chloe, it is still hard sometimes. Our brains are naturally wired to seek comfort. How do we make it easier to stick to these habits?
Great question, Ethan. Here's a tip I always share. Don't focus on the mountain. Focus on the next step.
What does that mean?
It means stop worrying about the big goal, like becoming fluent in English. That can feel impossible. Instead, focus on something small and manageable, maybe one page of reading today, or learning 5 new words.
Ah, I see. Breaking it down makes it much more achievable.
Exactly. If you do a little every day, over 1 year, it will add up to huge progress. Imagine learning 2,000 new words in a year. Your English will improve dramatically.
That's incredible. So, small steps consistently beat occasional bursts of intense effort.
Absolutely. The same applies to fitness. You cannot work out for 10 hours once a month and expect to be strong. It's about steady, manageable habits.
Right. 30 minutes of running 3 times a week is better than one long, exhausting session.
Consistency is the magic word. And Ethan, this applies to money too.
Really? How so?
Think about small daily expenses. Every coffee or snack you buy adds up. If you save that money instead, future Ethan can invest in something meaningful, a trip, a car, or even a financial safety net.
So, saving money today is a way of being kind to your future self.
Exactly. We are often generous with friends but lazy with ourselves. Practicing self-discipline is a form of self-love.
I've never thought of it that way. It's about being a friend to your future self.
Yes, time will pass whether you act or not. 1 year from now, you will arrive in 2026 with improved skills or the same habits. Time is unstoppable. Why not make it work for you?
That's true. It's a bit scary, but also motivating. I don't want to waste another year.
Exactly. Every small choice counts. Even 15 minutes a day of studying Spanish or exercising can lead to remarkable improvements over time.
I feel inspired already, Chloe. I want to do something meaningful today.
That's fantastic, Ethan. What will you do first?
I think I'll go for a run this evening, even if I feel tired. And I'll dedicate 15 minutes to Spanish practice.
Wonderful. Those actions today are gifts to future Ethan. And listeners, your actions now are gifts to your future selves too.
Listening to this podcast is already a gift to your future self. You are practicing your English, improving vocabulary, and exercising your listening skills.
Exactly. Keep up the good work, everyone. Every effort counts.
Chloe, this has been a truly inspiring conversation. I feel ready to make changes today.
I'm glad, Ethan. Remember, we have the power to shape our future. Every small decision is a vote for the person you want to become.
I love that phrase. Every small decision is a vote for the person I want to become.
And now, we want to leave our listeners with a question. What is one small thing you will do today for your future self?
Will it be reading a book, exercising, saving money, learning a language? Write it down in the comments. Making a promise to yourself is a powerful first step.
Absolutely. And don't forget to subscribe to Miss English Podcast and share this episode with a friend who might need some motivation.
Together, let's grow, learn, and become better versions of ourselves. Thank you so much for listening today.
Remember, start today and your future self will thank you.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.